Good morning, everyone. In the previous class, we are discussing about the three type of sanitary fitting. That is the first one is wash basin, second one is sink, and third one is the bathtub. Now come to the next sanitary fitting used in the houses for sanitary use. Okay, that is flushing system. Flushing system is the application used of flushing out water, closet, urinal, etc. based upon the height at which it is fixed. Okay, so then high level system minimum height is 125 centimeter between top of pan and the underside of the cistern. Yeah, in the next slide, I can show you what is the flushing cistern. Okay, low level system, maximum height is 30 centimeter between top of the pan and the sides of the cisterns. Okay, there is two types: valveless siphonic type, that is the bell type flushing system, and valve fitted siphonic type. There is two type of flushing system. Okay, now come to the next slide. That is the well-defined diagram of the flushing system of the well type. In the well type flushing system, there is a chain. You have to pull it out, pull it this chain, and this doors is open, and the flushing tank remove the water from that pipe. Okay, that is well type flushing system. Okay, in the well type flushing system made of cast iron and pressed steel, flush pipe is 32 mm pass through at the center. Galvanized CI pipe, that is the galvanized iron bell cover is flush pipe. When the chain pulled, bell is lifted. You can see in this diagram, bell type means that is the arrangement is shown as similar to the bell. Okay. Water spill over the outlet pipe. Siphonic action start due to the whole water rust toward the outlet of the flush and the water closes. Okay, that is the well type flushing system. These are the examples. Means in the first diagram, is simply the same diagram. Means there is before flushing the before scratch. Before pulling the without chain. Okay, in the next diagram you can see this simple this pull this diagram. You can activate the well siphon, and simply the well siphons open, siphonic action start. This water is rises up and fill this pipe and flush start. Okay, you can observe in this three diagram how the siphonic action is started. Okay, now come to the next topic, that is the water closet. Water closet is a sanitary fitting which is designed to receive the human extract directly to convey the septic tank. Okay, we are discussing before what is the septic tank and underground sewer. Before before conveying the septic tank, we have to firstly come to the all waste in the main hole. Then we come forward that waste to the septic tank and the underground sewer or trap. Okay, these are the two examples: squaring type of squaring type or Indian type. Okay, water closet, and second one is the European type. Okay, we all know about the what is the type of the water closet. Okay, squatting type water closet has the dimension. Okay, dimension of 45 centimeter to 63 centimeter length. Okay, or 45 centimeter to 50 centimeter height. These dimensions are fixed. Okay, pan is fitted at P shape. Okay, that is the shape of P. Okay, at the tap, and then the concentration of soil pipe. Okay, this is removed from the soil pipe. Plus the high level system is 10 to 15 liter capacity. The more water is wasted in the this system, water closet. Okay, that is European system. In the European system, we have previously discussed about that. What is the simple the siphon action is started in this pipe, and there is the clogging of water. Okay, Overall length, this is 63 centimeter, 34 by 40 centimeter height. Okay, you have to compare all these type. Okay, here the height of, here the height is 45 to 50 centimeter, or this height one is 30 centimeter to 40 centimeter in height. Okay, pan is fitted in the P and the S shape trap. Okay, and then connected to the soil type. It is flushed by the low level flushing system and 10 liter capacity. Okay, now come to the next, that is the urinal. Mainly four type of urinals: bloat type, flat shape, angle, slab, stall type, and sweating plate type. Okay, in this you can see that is the ball type, which is used in the multiplex. Okay, that is simple. The slab type, there is no urinal system, only simply save, or that is a gully nali used. Okay, that is the stall type. Okay, there is a means there is small hole. Okay, squatting flatlet type, this is used in the ladies washroom. And next one is the trap. Trap are fitted place the drain pipe, which is prevent the passes the foul air and the gases through the drain. Water soil pipes enters to prevent the entry of the interior house on the building. Okay. They are occupied the waste water seal and minimum depth is 25 mm. Depth varies from 25 to 75 mm and 50 mm depth is common. Okay. The some characteristics of good trap: should provide the enough water seal. Interior surface should be smooth so that the flow is not obstructed, which enable the self cleaning. Means our trap pipeline should be clear. Okay, with a minimum velocity flowing in that pipe. Suitable access should be provided for cleaning the trap. It should be made of the non-obstacle material. Okay, it is made for the non-absorbent material. Means that is used as that type of material which is not rusted. Okay, P type, S type, Q type traps we are discussed previously.